Hi guys, after completing all the seasons of Money Heist, I come up with this series, this list of things, the lessons which I've learned from the professor. If you're preparing for the exams, you have to behave like a professor, or you need to learn from the lesson. If you watch this series, all of you understand what I'm trying to say, so that it's easy for you to grasp what I'm trying to say. Otherwise, if you've not seen this series, try to understand the management rules so that we can apply them on the day-to-day basis. So either you can be the professor or you can select a professor to help you in all those things. Yeah. Number one pointer is calm. Stay calm. Trust me, this is going to be a long process. MBA entrance exam is, trust me, one of the most, it will drain you off. Trust me. It will be the one of the best part of your life as well. It at the same time, it will be one of the worst phase of your life as well. Once you're not scoring the marks, once your exam results are not going good, you will feel the pinch, the nervousness of the interviews. So it will be draining at time. So stay calm. Number one lesson you might have seen, professor is always calm, steady in every sense. Brilliant example. Yeah. Number two is coach. You need to train. You need to train yourself. You need to train others as well. So number two is keep sharpening your axe, because there will be time when you will be like, while giving the mock, I forget the formula. Arey yaar, I can't remember the formula of that. Why? Because you're not in touch with that subject for long. Yeah. So to keep revising all the subjects, all the formulas, so that you are able to solve the question on the D-Day. Number three is a vision. What is your target? The movie well-defined targets was there in the series. They have to do this, they have to do that, and target achieved. What is your target? Have a dream college in mind. You want to go to IIM Ahmedabad, you want to go to XLRI, you want to go to FMS, Jamal Bajaj. Have that in mind, vision. So today's homework is going to make these points for yourself. Yeah, vision. What is going to be your vision? Everything was there in the professor's mind. Nobody else knew what is going to happen, what is going to complete task. Only professor knew that complete task. Yeah, so you have to become a professor from that point of view. Next pointer is the decision making. There are tough decisions to be made. For example, during the mock, my strongest area is geometry, but today I'm not able to solve a single question of geometry. You have to move on. You have to switch from this to this. Yeah, the movie, the series have given you many examples like that. Berlin was supposed to be the leader, but at time he failed. Then somebody else stepped in at that position. So you need to have line number 2, line number 3 topics ready with you. Number 5 is planning. The best part of the series was the planning, the way he planned. Same way you have to plan your studies. Let it be from today to the CAT exam, how every day, how many hours you're going to study for, or it can be during the mock, how you're going to plan your day, your mock, your which topic to be done first. Planning is the most important part. And this is where I will help you as well. Any of the area where you find weak at, this is where this YouTube channel will come in to help. That I'm going to be there with you till the end, till the exam. In fact, I'll be giving the exams with you so that you can gain more marks. Yeah, so we're going to be together in this race. Next is a recruitment. Recruitment for us can be a which topic to be done. All of us have a weak areas. All of us have the demons hidden somewhere. I don't like maths, I don't like geometry, I don't like this, I don't like that. We have to come out of that. We have to recruit the right people, right teachers maybe in that case, or the right topics to be studied. First of all, you should know what all roles and responsibility you need to fill. For a robbery, these are the things to be done. He will do this, he will do that, he will do this. Same way for your CAT preparation, I need 95 percentile suppose, which is 120 marks. So 120 marks divided by 3 marks per question, 40 question I need to do right. Out of that, maths will give me that much, verbal will give me that much, DL logic will give me that much. So those kind of, and then we have to recruit the right topics for that. That can be during your preparation for the exam. Getting the right question on board and maybe the right teachers on board, right books. So all these things come as a part of the recruitment, getting the right people to do the job for you. Yeah. Next is the planning. I think we talked about the planning part. Planning was the most important part everywhere. It's personal. This is the most beautiful thing I would recommend. Professor was personally involved in this heist because of the personal reason. Heist 1 and heist 2 as well. There were the personal reasons for him to do that. Find out your personal thing. Make it personal. Cracking the CAT exam, cracking the CET exam, make it personal. Take it up as a challenge that I have to do this. because maybe your dad said something to you. I'll give you a small example of that. After my engineering, when I came back home before I joined my IT job, after engineering and before I joined the company, that gap, we always have a gap of 2-3 months. In that time, my dad said, कोई लड़की है तो बताओ, ठीक है, to get married, कोई लड़की तो बताओ. तो dad engineer, mechanical engineer, आप भी कहाँ सोच रहे हो, ठीक है. But I had a distant neighbor. She used to live nearby, and she was a doctor. So she was in one same school. We stayed together. So I had a crush on her at one point of time. So I said, पापा वो उससे बात कर लो अगर वो लोग मानते हैं. तो you know what my dad said? My dad said, बेटा औकात में रहे. That was my dad's dialogue. तू इंजीनियर है, तेरे को इंजीनियर भी भावना दे. तो and you are looking at a doctor, and that hurt me. Trust me, those words hurt me. And I took a pledge. I had no plan to do my MBA till that time, but I took a pledge that I want to make myself unable. Yeah, so it was one small thing happened. I didn't take it long to my heart for long, but I keep that thing alive so that the fire in me is alive. So make it personal. Obviously, you'll be having many things like this. I did my boss also told a few things which I took to heart, which I'm going to talk about as we go along. My boss told me, you are a clerk. You're not an engineer. You are, all of you, not to me only, all of you are clerks. जिनका काम है typing करना. So I again took it to my heart. So I made it personal. If you make it personal, trust me, you will feel the efficiency or the fire becoming double in you to perform. Yeah. So find out your cause. So any of the pointer, if you already have in your mind, please post in the comment so that we can see what fire you're going to bring in you. All those things you need to wait. Last is enable. Enable yourself, enable your friends, enable your team to study. Enabling via books, both the things are at par with each other, and get involved. Professor was there in every scene. Yeah. Normally in every movie, there's a security team who watches a CCTV camera. Here, professor himself is watching all the CCTV cameras because he's involved. Yeah, he's enabling himself, he's enabling the team members to perform their jobs. The same way you have to enable yourself with anything. So anything where you're weak at, do mention your strongest area and weakest area in the comments. All the best.